So now I'm going to walk through the competitive analysis that I put together for 3 competitors that are in the fitness tracking market. First, let's talk about the Apple Watch. In terms of offering, the Apple Watch is available in a number of different styles, including different case colors, different case materials like aluminum, stainless steel, or ceramic, and GPS or cellular capabilities. Key features include the Activity app, which automatically monitors your movement while you're wearing the watch. It also has the ability for you to manually enter activity. The Activity app gamifies being active by monitoring across 3 different dimensions: moving, exercising, and standing. And it presents this in the format of a game to the user, where you have to close the rings each day. In terms of differentiators, the biggest differentiator here is that the watch will automatically monitor your activity while you're wearing it. There's nothing special you need to do. And for target customers, well, you have to have an iPhone in order to set up and use the Apple Watch. Fitness-minded individuals is probably one of the target users for the Apple Watch, although there are other target users who could also be considering an Apple Watch for other reasons as well. And in terms of distribution, the Apple Watch is available through the Apple Store, both online and in retail stores, as well as through most tech retailers like Best Buy and Amazon. And the watch starts at $399 for the most recent model and increases in price based on its specific configuration. Strava is the next product that I want to talk about. The product offering is a free app with 3 different add-on subscriptions. Key features are really tailored around tracking and monitoring performance, specifically when it comes to running and cycling. And one thing that's unique and different about Strava is that there's an ability to share posts about your activities and goals with others. In fact, Strava markets themselves as the social network for athletes. And in terms of target customers, Strava is really geared towards the serious runner and cyclist, although it's still a great product for people who are just getting started. And in terms of distribution, you can download Strava through the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. They also have a version that's available for smartwatches as well. And in terms of pricing, well, the core app is free, and there's 3 different add-on packs that are available for $2 each month. These packs unlock additional functionality for training, safety, and deeper analysis of your data and workouts. Lastly, let's talk about MyFitnessPal. This is another freemium app with a free tier that's supported by ads and a paid tier without ads and with additional features. In terms of key features, MyFitnessPal is really geared around nutrition and activity tracking, with specific goals around weight management. There's also a food diary that allows you to track what you're eating and when, and lots of tools to easily get nutrition information about what you're eating. For example, by looking up an item by scanning its barcode. One of the biggest differentiators that MyFitnessPal has is that it has an extensive database of 11 million different foods and their calorie and nutrition information. The target user for MyFitnessPal is someone who's focused on managing their diet and wants to better understand and track what they're eating. Oftentimes, they might have a weight management goal attached as well. And again, in terms of distribution, this is an app and it's available on both Android and iOS through their respective app stores. And in terms of pricing, there is a free version available, but the premium subscription is $10 a month and unlocks additional functionality, including nutritionist-approved recipes and meal plans, as well as additional tracking and goal setting on a more granular level, like cholesterol and protein intake. So here's an overview of the 3 competitors side by side. Did you identify any of these competitors? And if so, is there any overlap with what you identified and what I identified?